Yes, Select Committee.
Are you moving? Are you moving? Tiruchi?
Yes, I am moving the motion.
The motion for consideration of the bill and the amendments are moved there too, are now open for discussion. Please, Mani Anand ji.
Honorable Deputy Chairman, sir, I want to raise a point of order for clarification. And this is important, not only for me, I think for history and also for the entire House. So first is that this House is the Council of States under Article 83 of the Constitution. And therefore, sir, this House is a permanent House and the Constitution is clear, it shall never be subject to dissolution, like the House of the People is. So now I want to take you to section 85(1). The President shall from time to time summon each House of Parliament to meet at such time and place as he thinks fit, but 6 months shall not intervene between its last sitting in one session and the date appointed for its first sitting in the next session. 2. 85(2), sir, says, the President may from time to time, A, prorogue the House or either House, dissolve the House of the People. So, sir, where I need a ruling that this is the winter session, which was summoned by the President of India, and the Gazette notification was issued, and this House started its first session on the 29th of November. Sir, before that, the last session, there is no violation as far as timing is concerned. The last session, that's the monsoon session, I'm not going into what happened or anything. That session was adjourned, sir, by the chair. An Honorable Deputy Chairman was there. It was adjourned, sir, on the 11th of August, sir. Thereafter, sir, the processes, which are constitutional processes, have to be completed by the Chairman and the Rajya Sabha Secretariat, and for that matter, in the House of People by the Honorable Speaker and the Secretariat. And the information is sent to the Honorable President, which is processed, and the Houses are constitutionally prorogued. So the House was prorogued on 31st of August. So I want a ruling from the chair. After the monsoon session was prorogued on the 31st of August, 11th was adjourned, prorogued on 31st, through a Gazette notification. I want to know, sir, through you and through a ruling, which will be important now, that whether the prorogation was in order. If so, is this session a separate session or a continuation? I want a ruling on that.
I'll come on this ruling. I will explain it. Let this debate continue. Please. No, please.